Hello, second graders. So we have learned how to segment or break apart words into their parts or syllables. So for this activity, I'm going to say a word with the vowel sound R, made by the letters AR. You will segment the words into syllables and identify the syllable with the R sound. Each tile on the screen, or orange box, stands for a syllable in a word. If you're at home, you could do this with 2 pieces of paper. You could do it with 2 coins. You could do it with any 2 objects that you have that you can put in front of you and just slide up as we go. So let's listen to an example. Listen for the word marble. 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 Notice how I slid those tiles up as I said the syllables. Marble. Which syllable had the R sound in it? Was it the first syllable or the second syllable? Marble. If you said it was the first syllable, you are correct. The R sound is in the first syllable. Now let's do this one together. The word is charming. 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 Which syllable did you recognize the R sound in? Is it the first or the second? Charming. It again is the first syllable. Now I want you to do one on your own. Try it with the word depart. Depart. Remember to push up your objects as you say your syllables. Depart. Depart. Is that in the first or the second? That one is in the second. That R sound is in the second syllable. Now I want you to continue with the word tardy. Tardy. Sandbar. Sandbar. Harvest. Harvest. Artist. Artist. And the last one is upstart. Upstart. Now let's review some phonics. When we review the sounds R, made by the letters AR, as in farm, we are working with an R-controlled vowel. Remember the letters R, AR, together stand for a new vowel sound that is neither long or short. They stand for the R-controlled vowel sound, R. So let's work on some blending. If you can see the letter cards we have here, the letters S and T form a consonant blend. So I'm going to blend those sounds closely together. And then I see the letters AR together, so I will use the R-controlled vowel sound R. So for the sounds that we have, st, R. Let's try to blend it. St, R. Star. 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 Let's look at the next word. We have art. Again, I see that AR, so I know that's my new vowel sound, R. Art. Art. Part. Part. Let's try with this word. Arc. 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 Park. This one's a bit longer. Let's see if we can try to blend this one. I see 2 vowels in this word, so there will probably be at least 2 syllables. I also see a vowel followed by a consonant E at the end. So that tells me the vowel sound will be long and the E is silent. So let's try this one. Art, a k. Art, a k. Partake. Partake. And if you partake in something, it just means that you're participating in something. Partake. So you see how that one had two syllables. Is the R sound in the first syllable or the second syllable? Partake. Correct, it's in the first syllable. So let's do some blending practice. We're going to blend these together. Are you ready? Arch. Snarl, snarl. Arm, arm. Jar, jar. Let's read line 2 together. Art, smart. Art, dart. Charm, charm. And art, chart. Good work, second graders.